Hello everybody, this is Niclas Huschenbeth and today I would like to present to you another quite tough mate in one position, but unlike the previous one where the pieces were shuffled all over the board, this looks fairly normal. That could have happened in a real game. It did not happen in a real game, by the way. It's also a composed position, but it looks more normal, right? And, well, white can checkmate in one move here. So that's a tricky one, and that's about as much as a hint I can give. And you need to maybe think a little bit outside of the box. Okay, that's already a second hint. All right, that should be enough. So let's see if you can figure it out. Creativity is needed for sure. All right, are you ready? Okay. So first, obviously, one looks at moves like rook f7, and of course, this would be good enough. It checkmates in two moves, but it's not a checkmate in one, and that's the task. So, doesn't work. Queen f6 first looks good, but black can still take the knight on h6. Also, no checkmate. Knight f5 or knight h5 both give black the option to still retreat with the king. What to do? Well, we know there is a checkmate in one. That's what the instructions say. So what can we do? Well, it must be then that the last black move was to go e7, e5. That means we can take en passant with check. And not only check, but checkmate. The pawn cannot move in between because it is pinned. And unlike many of the other lines, the king cannot retreat to h8 because the bishop is also covering h8. So this is why it's so difficult. You have to think outside of the box, and you have to consider that there might be this option of en passant here in the position. All right. If you did not know this problem before, then let me know if you could find it. It's quite popular, I guess, already. Maybe some of you have seen it yet, but it's also a good one to present to your teammates maybe, or your members in your chess club maybe, and see if they can figure it out. All right, that's it from me, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.